Hello everyone, today we are going to make a special kind of Turkish börek. We will make two types, one with potato and one with cheese. Let's start. Of course, it will be very easy. For potato filling, you need 1 kilogram of potatoes, 3 onions, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tea glass of oil. For the cheese filling, of course, we just need cheese, white cheese or feta cheese. Now, what we need for the sauce. For the sauce, we need 1 tea glass of milk, half a tea glass of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and of course, we need yufka. We have 8 sheets of yufka on the table. Let's start for the potato filling. First, we will grate the onions. We are heating the oil. And we are adding the onions. We cook for a while until we see golden. It's time to add tomato paste and cook a little bit. And we are adding salt and cooking a little bit. So we cooked the tomato paste few minutes. Now we add the potato and we need to cook 5 minutes and then it will be ready. Potato filling will be ready. Then we will prepare the sauce for yufka. Potato filling is about ready. Just 5 minutes cooking, then it's now ready. We are ready to prepare the sauce for yufka. That's also very simple. We have milk, oil, salt, and 1 egg. We mix. So we will start first for potato börek. I took a baking tray and I put oil and we will start now. Place the first yufka and now we need to apply the sauce everywhere. We will now add potato and then we will spread in the tray. So now second floor. We need to put the yufka to the second floor. And again we need to apply sauce After then again potato. Then we will be on third floor. Oh, I finished now, and just remember, for every layer of yufka we brush it with the sauce. This will make the börek soft and tasty. So on the top of the börek we applied egg yolks, and now we sprinkle black seeds. This will make börek very tasty. Now we started heating up the oven, 180 degree, top and bottom. The oven preheated. Now we will put the börek in the oven for half an hour. It will be baked for half an hour and then it will be ready. Let's close the oven. Wow, that looks great. Just 5 minutes more. So the börek is ready.